Hi, I'm Parpel. I'm the founder of OPT OnDemand, originally known as OPTiger. ROQ became essential step forward for our company since we decided to build the largest European base for artist merch, and with complexity of services we are offering on the market, we believe that this is going to be the ultimate destination for all the artists around the world to do and produce and ship their merch. We work with the largest people in the industry, the biggest brands which are global, and they expect from us to get the same service as they get in UK, as they get in US. And we decided to completely replace our screen print equipment in the end of last year, since we had a lot of different machines, different print sizes, different amount of colors, and also we got so busy last year that we realized we have to move forward and go with a much better equipment, which is brand new, and we believe that this will bring us to completely new flexibility, and also the productivity should be so much better. So we are excited to become part of the ROQ family. We could really appreciate all the new features on the top level machines, which you can see behind me. It's the Eco style, with all the statistics, with the ease of use, and also with the possibility to use 18 color large format, which we can actually in our business use a lot. And also the vibe of the company was really fitting to our culture, and after a first visit in the production, we were super excited to get on board. With this change, we are bringing our capacity to over 1 million impressions a month, which should bring enough capacity to run the largest projects which are global. We've been also very excited about cooperation with Service Centrum from Brno. During this whole project, we felt like a real support and a great communication between ROQ, the production, and our technicians and project leaders here in our production. And I have to say, the whole project went really smooth, and part of it was definitely a role of Service Centrum. This whole project actually was very quick, I have to say. I think from the start of the project to installation took about 3 months. We got great support in planning the whole production, designing how the whole workflow is gonna be, and also the whole flow of the new machines coming in, installation, having technicians from ROQ on our side was a super pleasant experience. And what's amazing to me, everything worked very smooth, and we actually were 10 days before the original plan. So I have to say I've been super excited that our team, Service Centrum and the ROQ team, did an amazing job, that we were able to change the whole production within 2 weeks. Our customers expect super fast service. We are working in an environment, in an industry where it's not easy to plan, and we have to be super fast and flexible. By making this change, we believe that we will really become one of the top printers in Europe to service industries where the flexibility and quality is on the top level.